Ground cockpit.
Go ahead.
Startup and pushback approach facing south. Yellow line. Parking brake is set.
South yellow line. Very loose brake.
Parking brakes released.
Big cycle.
Okay, we'll start one by one after 20 seconds. We'll start them one by one, okay? Okay, we're starting right engine. Start right engine. Right engine start.
Set the parking brake.
Parking brake set. Okay, right engine is okay. Starting left engine now.
Yes.
Start left engine. Left engine start. Okay, we got two good engines. You are clear to disconnect. I'll be waiting for your hands signal. Teşekkürler. Görüşmek dileğiyle.
Teşekkür ederim.
Okay, flaps 20. Then signal is check. Check. Okay, four tax checks, please. Check. Check. Item over. It's clear on the left. Ready to taxi in sequence. They are starting now. It's a max, so it takes a lot of time to start the engine and they have. But you can tell we're ready in sequence.